Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing of Last Crumb. This time it is their Platinum Collection. When I purchased it, it was 175. However, now it is 160, and it's still open for buying if you want to get it. The Platinum Collection is all the new flavors from last year in one box. So we're about to try these out, you guys. So let's do this.
You want to show it?
Yes, let's show them the box.
Try.
This is like an 8-pound box of cookies. Come this way. A little bit further. Damn. So a dozen cookies, 8 pounds worth, including all the packaging. But as you can see, it's packaged really nicely. Let's go through this. First, we have Nutella Heist. And any cookies you want to keep, let me know.
Okay.
We'll put them in a plastic bag.
So you taste this one because I'm allergic to hazelnut.
Yes, we figured that out that Mom is allergic to hazelnut, and which is really really sad. So that's the cookie. And did we grab a knife? No. I'm about to grab a knife, you guys.
Be right back.
Now you guys can see that my kitchen is real. This is not a really fancy background.
She just fancy, y'all.
I think it sucks that Ma is allergic to Nutella.
You cannot eat that much at one time.
No, I'm just going to show the middle.
These.
That's the middle. Mmm. It's a perfect hint Nutella. You got the marshmallow cream on top. That is very yummy. Make sure you don't lick your fingers. Okay. We have the Queen of Sheba, which is that nut that starts with a P. I cannot pronounce it.
Pistachio.
Pistachio. My brain will not let me say that word. Let me get you another knife because this has Nutella on it.
Okay.
First rule of cooking, no cross-contaminating. You never want to give you never want to give somebody something that you use with something that they're allergic to on it. Very bad. I remember seeing Chef Master. And Chef Ramsay saw a guy cooking chicken and shrimp in the same container. Completely freaked out. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you showed him the cookie?
Mm-mm.
She's trying to keep it to herself, y'all.
It's good. It's a little on the sweet side for me. So probably will have like just maybe 3 or 4 bites of it, but
Oh yeah. When I eat the cookies, I only eat half at a time.
it's good. I like that one.
Okay, so I try to be as much as an ally if I can. I wasn't sure if this name was racist. So y'all tell me below if y'all feel like it's racist. I'm trying to be an ally.
Yeah.
The name is called Basic White Girl.
Hey.
And the flavor is pumpkin spice latte.
Here you go.
Oh, you gonna make me eat it?
I don't do pumpkin.
Neither do I.
Exactly what. Oops.
Okay, but I was trying to figure out if he made something called sweet potato, and they called it Basic Black Girl, would I be upset? I'm not sure. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna say thumbs down. I know you.
I'm just not a pumpkin person. I prefer sweet potato.
I think the spice is really strong on it.
If you love your pumpkin spice,
What is
that's
that?
your cooking. Stifler's mom. It comes from the movie American Pie.
I don't know that movie.
That woman who just won a Golden Globe, the blonde hair, was on Two Broke Girls.
Mm-hmm.
She's in there.
American Pie. Wait a minute.
Yeah, she plays
That's
Stifler's
in-
mom.
Is in that movie with the guy with the
Guy with the pie.
That is so gross. I remember that movie from when I was I was young. That movie's old.
Yes, that movie is old because I was really young. I wasn't old enough to see it when it came out.
Yeah.
But Stifler's mom, and it tastes like apple pie, and that's what it looked like.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm not a fan of apple flavor stuff.
Really?
Mm-mm.
I did not know that about you.
No, I don't like. I don't eat applesauce. Yeah, don't eat applesauce.
I have a fridge in my bedroom and I have applesauce in there right now.
I know your dad loves applesauce.
So
yeah, kind of. I don't know. Just don't like it. Never have. Okay, that was enough.
Okay, so this is the sack lunch, and it's a flavor of peanut butter and jelly. I knew she was gonna give it to me. So here's how it looks. And I love me some peanut butter and jelly.
We should keep this in close and get to your dad. He just this chocolate chip. I can't imagine tasting like anything but chocolate chip. Look at this jar. Look at this cookie. It's a chocolate chip cookie. It's totally ridiculous.
I'm sorry. The sack lunch is delicious, but I love peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. Okay, so y'all, I probably haven't had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich since I was like 12. And I'm 61.
Don't she look good for 61, y'all?
Hey! No peanut butter and jelly, y'all.
I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich last week.
I just never really cared for them. Even when I was a kid, I just didn't care for them. And I used to always say, when I get to be an adult, I'm never going to eat peanut butter and jelly again.
But I will say she never kept it from us.
No, I didn't.
Even though she didn't like it, she always made us peanut butter and jelly sandwiches if we
Yeah, I
asked.
loved it. I couldn't get it. I didn't understand it.
It was so good. Especially grandma, she make triple dipples. That's pretty much a Big Mac of peanut butter and jelly. So bread, peanut butter jelly, bread, peanut butter jelly, bread.
My mom.
Triple dipple. So
My
good.
mom.
So good. Love that woman.
If there's a such thing as too much chocolate in a chocolate chip.
What? It's like having too many
my
diamonds in a
God.
ring. It's not possible.
Wait a minute now. That's another story.
Okay, so have your churro and eat it too.
All right, so I'm not to do this one. So I'm not a
What?
huge cinnamon fan.
Okay, I'm learning all this new stuff about you. How can you not like cinnamon?
I do, but not a lot.
I actually made cinnamon pie once, and you don't need a lot of cinnamon for cinnamon pie. It almost looks like a mistake because cinnamon is so overpowering. You don't need a lot for cinnamon pie. It's like, I think it was like a tablespoon or a teaspoon or something like that.
Yeah.
It was not a lot for an entire 9-inch pie.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the churro. Now I will say, it's not as good as Cinnabon. Not that good, but it's still good.
It's really hard to be better than
They do kind of corner the market on churro. I've actually gone to Cinnamon Bomb before I go to movies, and I sneak my churro into the movie. This is for a Florida man, and it's in the flavor of key lime pie. Have you ever done that thing where you put in your birthday and type in Florida man or Florida woman?
No.
You can usually find something crazy happen in your birthday.
Really soft stuff in it. Really?
Yeah. Any place in Florida, something crazy happened.
I know. I found this. I was watching this TV show called The Florida Murders. Florida Man Murders or something like that.
Good Lord. Is it good?
All these unsolved mysteries. In Florida. That's one of my favorite ones so far.
Okay, you can have that one.
It's
I'm not big online.
It's actually my favorite one so far, yeah.
What? Your key lime pie?
Yes.
Have you ever had key lime pie?
Yes, I prefer that over a cheesecake any day of the week.
Slap your face raw. No.
Any day of the week. I'm not gonna like this one.
Okay, because it's cinnamon. Now, this is the stuff that you drizzle on top.
Don't do it.
No, I'm not going to do it. See how she bossed me around?
No. You're gonna have a sugar rush.
I know. Now that tastes like Cinnabon.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, Doc? And it's in the flavor of carrot cake.
Girl, pass me that knife. My favorite cake.
That is her favorite cake, y'all.
That's my favorite cake.
Before after Thanksgiving, I went to
Oh my
Vegas
gosh.
and I left a sweet potato pie and a carrot cake here. Delicious, right?
Look at there. Look at the cream cheeses in the middle, and there's like pieces of carrot hanging out the side.
And they killed my carrot cake.
Come on, boo.
I still had a whole sweet potato pie. That carrot cake was gone. That's good. That's good. I got a feeling that's not coming back.
Not a huge chocolate fan, so.
How is that possible? This is Dazzle Me Darling, and it is chocolate covered strawberries. She is not a chocolate on chocolate person.
Nah.
I was born a chocolate on chocolate person.
Only my man.
I love it.
Don't tell your father.
Chocolate on chocolate. That's the inside. Now let's get just a little piece. I'm about to be super happy at work and I'm gonna crash. But I'm a chocolate person. I love chocolate. That is creme de la crumb, and your fingers are covered up. It's cookies and cream.
And I think that's the worst ice cream in the world.
What?
Yes.
Slap me in the face and call me Shirley.
Shirley. The worst ice cream is cookies and cream. Why?
It's two desserts in
If you
one.
want cookies, you want your ice cream, go get a cookie.
So that's how it looks on the inside, y'all. It's so loaded. Look at her face.
Yeah, that cookie give you diabetes. Just that one cookie.
Oh my gosh. It's so good. It's like a really big Oreo. But as shocked as I'm surprised, sorry, as shocked as I'm sure you guys all are, we are done. We've gone through 12 cookies. Showed them all to you. Creme de la crumb. Stiffler's mom. Have your churro, eat it too. We're on to you, Doughboy. Chocolate chip. The sack lunch. Basic white girl. Queen of Sheba. What's up, Doc? Nutella Heist. Florida Man. And Dazzle Me Darling. Now, when it comes to the box itself, we said this before, this is a specialty gift. This is not something you get every single month. This is you get somebody for their graduation, going to college, retirement, or maybe an office thing. It has so many flavors in there. You're bound to find somebody who likes it. So for me, $175 for one time is fun. It's not something I would do monthly. Like she said, it's diabetes in a box, and I mean pure diabetes.
How much is it per cookie? Like, what does that break down to? What is it? Hold on.
Alexa, what's 175 divided by 12?
175 divided by 12 is approximately 14.5833.
So about $14.50 per cookie. That is very expensive for a cookie. But now I told you guys it's $160 now, which is probably about $12 a cookie. Still expensive. So this is, like I said, a specialty gift. This is not a monthly thing. But to me, I love most of them. Some of them that just weren't my branded cookie. I'm not a pumpkin spice person. That wasn't for me. The rest of them were great. You said you love carrot cake. So that was for you. But like she said, all the chocolatey ones and the peanut butter one. Peanut butter.
So that's probably, the whole thing is there's probably like 5 of them out of the whole 12 that I would eat. So if it would only, if I could pick out what I wanted.
You can't.
Then it would be a no deal for me.
No, I
because
think
if it's more than half of it I don't like, that's not a bargain.
Right.
And these are very expensive. You just can't buy a couple of packs, 3-4 packs.
No, you buy a dozen.
You guys should really rethink that.
You click on it and they tell you what's going to be in the box.
You should really rethink that. You should be able to pick and choose what you want and not.
This is what you're getting, and that's it.
And a lot of people are allergic to nuts. and quite a few of them have nuts.
Oh yeah.
So
You guys gotta do a little bit better with. Maybe you just have like maybe 4 times a year you pick what you want
yeah.
and you make it, or you have a nut free version.
And what's up with the favorite flavor of them all? Red velvet, for real? Okay.
No, I think they have it in their regular box. This is a
Okay.
platinum box.
You can't do platinum without red velvet.
No, platinum was just all the new cookies.
Oh, okay.
In the core collection they have a red velvet.
Okay, yeah.
So the core collection is like 125.
All right, cool.
But that is our review. So as always, in life there's black and white, but with us you now have 2 shades of gray. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye.